Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Tag Manager preview mode settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Tag Manager preview mode settings, start by accessing your Google Tag Manager account. Log into the Google Tag Manager interface using your credentials. Navigate to the workspace where you have enabled the preview mode. In the top right corner, locate the preview button. Click on the preview button to open the preview mode. You will see a panel on the bottom of your screen indicating that you are in preview mode. To exit the preview mode, look for the Exit Preview button in the same panel. Click on the Exit Preview button to deactivate the preview mode. Once you click it, the Tag Manager will reload, and you will return to the standard view. To ensure the changes are effective, refresh the page you were testing. Verify that the preview mode indicator is no longer visible. If you have any changes you want to make permanent, publish your container after exiting preview mode. Return to the Workspace tab in your Google Tag Manager account. Review any changes you may need to adjust before publishing. When you're ready, click on the Submit button to push your changes live. Complete any required fields in the submission dialog. Finally, click on the Publish button to finalize the process. You have now successfully uninstalled the Google Tag Manager preview mode settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.